Da, da, dum. Hello, welcome. I'm back. Just yeah, let's say 40 minutes of streaming today, and I will try to set up HTTP server, which we can use to control the spider, at least the movement forward for today. I think this will be enough. Yeah, so let's start right away. Okay, we'll try to reconnect to the device. Yes, it's there. Okay, let's see the spider. Yeah, it's there. And I have already did an experiment using yeah, just downloading an example server, web server, and it seems to be server Pi, and we can use it, I think. Where is Notepad++? I don't see it. So okay, server Pi. Okay, so this should start an HTTP server, and it's returning simply hello world, and we can content type is HTML. So this is the MIME type. So we can use also like HTTP here. So usually you would make it conform, but yeah, let's make it conform. So or we just start with body. We don't have header here. Usually, okay, let's do it. Let's keep it conform. Even though there is still something missing. And we need header. Header, okay. I don't know how to write multi-line text in Python. Let's check it out. So maybe you're not up to date. Yesterday we implemented a simple walk and creep using the spider, and I can just show it to you today. So I will simply start what we have done yesterday. This will be Python spider Pi, and then it should just move. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, yes. Ow! So actually, it's powerful. Yeah, now it's creeping, so it just fell off here, and it turned off afterwards. You can restart it so you can see it better. Of course, there are too many cables now. We have to tidy this up somehow later. Okay, let's see. start this again. Okay. Is there anyone in the live stream? I have also to check. Okay, there's no one. Great. So we just continue to do boring software today. Okay, let's do like diff, or let's say we create a button. Input. Oh, we make it different. How we can do it easily? No, we do an input button. Input. Type button. Button, and then what should it say? Value, and then walk. Okay, so this should be the content that we receive, and the server is running on port number 8080 here, and it will serve forever as long as I don't press Control and C to cancel it. Okay, I will just transfer the file if it's possible. Is it connected yet? Whoops, something missing here. To restart the connection. Oh, WinSCP just deadlocked again. I will kill it. Abort. Oh, reconnect. Yes, it did connect. Okay, so it should run now. Okay, so I will start the server point .py. Okay, server seems to be up and running, and I will just start, let's say, Edge here and share the screen with you. It's possible. Second, window capture. Edge browser. So usually I'm not using Edge. That's because I'm using it now, because then I can simply share it. Oh, this is not working properly. Seems not to work to share Edge. That's bad. Should have installed this other stuff. Okay, how do I show it now? I will just make a screencast here, and hopefully not showing anything to you that you shouldn't see. So where is it? Cancel. Display capture. Okay. Whoa, yes, that's what I. Okay, edge and off. This will go down. Okay. Okay, is it working now? Yes, okay. So the server is, the address is 129.168 and then 1 and 104, and the port is 8080, so I type it like this. Let's see if the Omega is serving, if the Python, no. I have to check if the address is right. I think that's the session. Actually, it should serve. I will try my phone. Oh. Oh, yeah, it's the wrong. I think I have the wrong address. MAC address 3C43. Yes. So the actual address is not 104, it's 105. So, yes, hello world. That's not the one that I wanted to sync. We changed it. Why didn't it upload yet? Headers. Okay. Ah, okay. I will start the sync. Now it should be up to date. Okay. Whoa. Okay, let's try again. We should see a button that says walk. Yeah. Now we need something to actually, we need to connect the service to the spider movement. So we have to somehow send a request using this walk. So let's see, http xml request 5. So we find here some information. I saw someone logged in. A second. Okay. So let's see how we can use open get file name true. So syntax for looks like this. Example explained. Response text. Okay, we will just copy this example here. Oh, the display is a little bit. Sorry about that. I have to make it smaller so you can see everything. My laptop's display resolution is a little bit bigger than Full HD. Okay. Now you can see a little bit more. Okay, so I will copy this request code here. So this is how you code nowadays. And we have to shove it here in somehow. Yeah, what I have to find out first is Python multi-line string. Okay, so it's like 3 of those. Is it string? Starting with this. Okay. So the contrast is really bad now on this stuff. This is the body. No, body is here. Inputs, body, and HTML like this. Does it work? Actually, I want the indentation to be like this. I hope this works as well. Okay, now we want to paste the code here. So what I want is, let's say, function request and the type of request or name. Let's say like this. This is the parameter, and then parentheses like this, and all the code goes here. Yeah, this is the answer that we get. We need also a demo here, div and id equals demo. So the response of the request that's sent will be pasted in this div object here, so in this div node. This is an anonymous function. So this is an event that's called when the state is changed, and whenever the state is ready or finished status, then it will paste the response in the node. And this here, yeah, it opens, and it's not the file name that we want here, it's the name that we got from the parameter. True should be blocking, I think. Yes. Is it? Or is it asynchronous? I don't know. Doesn't matter. And then we want on click to be here request, and we want the name, let's say walk. So this is the request. And now how do I serve anything? Do get self send response. Okay, this is request handler def do get and then self. Wow, now we want to see how this works. If I need to serve another, no, I don't want another server. I want the page to be served as well. Okay, so I check on this handler. Contains the path or request path, comment request type, let's do it like this. Right, and then we will just output the path. So we'll see self path. We can distinguish maybe using the path or what kind of file is requested. So we'll just start this. Okay. Didn't work. What's wrong? Oh. Line 20. What's wrong with line? Which character is it? Line 20. Line 19. HC2, what is this kind of character? Do I really have to check it here? Oops. Okay. So let's see what's the problem. Oh, whoa. UTF-8 or what? Okay, let's try this. So it should be like this, shouldn't it? Oh no, it's the encoding of the file. First or second line encoding name, UTF-8. Okay. Seriously? Encoding UTF-8, and we maybe have to set here binary transfer. Transfer type binary, so it should be right. I don't know what's the problem here. Nope. Non-ASCII character 21. I did set the encoding. What's the problem? Whoops. That's not what I wanted to show. Coding UTF-8 without this stuff around. Like this. Ah, now it's working. Yes. Okay, so actually it's important to set UTF-8 to the interpreter. Okay, let's check how this is served. Yeah, so this is slash, if you can see it here. So Python switch. Wow, what's this? Design switch. Yeah, that's not Python. Is it? Seriously? Oh, come on. Dude, I don't want to see your face. I want to see def case args. Oh, what? It doesn't have switch case. Seriously? Wow. Whoops. Dictionary, okay. Okay. So I will make a def pages and then name a what, and then return. Yes. Okay, return I won't understand Python. It's using parentheses in this case, but not in the other what. This is this one, and this is name, and this will be walk. So we don't have a page there, but let's say we return there something like walking. Oops. Something like that, maybe. And this one, how is it? Pages, and then self path. And this one will be, whoa, maybe a little bit indentation here. Indentation, sorry. Okay. Yeah, let's try it if this works. And oops. Invalid syntax. What did I wrong? There is a missing comma, I guess. Like this. Okay, let's try it. Oh, oof. So it dumped all the stuff here. What's wrong there? Ah, what did it serve? Can I go to like inspect? Yeah, whatever. DOM Explorer. So network. Reload, and let's see what Python did serve to us. Come on, show it. Network. Yeah. So body headers. Ugh. There are some strange symbols here. It's served. Is there something else? No. It's only on if and blah blah blah. Ah, okay, I understand. Here, I see it. That's what the problem was before. We copied it from the internet, and then you get some strange characters with it. Now it should be okay. So that's why it wanted to have UTF-8 encoding. Ah, and now? No. Oh, we have to update the server. Yes. Why? Oh yeah, there is actually a script missing. Probably he already saw it and just screaming at me, and I don't see the chat here because I only have one screen available at the moment. So I can't look that often into the chat, but I will now. Oh, display capture, notepad, and yeah, nobody's watching. Yeah, because it's very, very good stuff that we are making. It's simply boring. Nobody's watching then. However, we can try to run it now. Okay, so restart, reload. Still not updated. What's wrong? exception. What's the problem? Process request, client address. Key arrow fav icon. Ah, yeah, okay. So we need also the default value. Yeah. So this one here, get, and then return and get x and 9. Okay. So the default value will be 9. Oh, I didn't set up the power supply. Okay. So we need here get like this, name, and default will be simply an empty string. Yeah, let's do it like empty string. We could also make it like handling and responding 404 there if it's not valid, but yeah, not needed now. We want it simple for now. Okay, so now it should load. What's missing here? Yeah, it's not closing here. Ah. Oh, the 40 minutes are over already, but I want it to walk on commands. So let's do it. Ah, okay. So we got a response, and that's what we expected. And we can also, instead of sending this response, we can do a special handler here. So what I will do now is, wow, yeah, this is, I have to paste everything inside of it, or I will just put it in a separate file. This is something that's okay, let's just copy it. Or should we copy the server inside here? I think that's better because it's less code. So we can start. I don't think we need the UTF anymore. It has to go in the first lines. Even so, nope. So what I want is, I want it here, then shutting down, socket close, and also the init. So the spider will shut down when I close the server. Also the init should contain these lines here. So actually like this, servolex, all the functions. Okay, now we can do like if self point path equals, I hope this works, I don't know, walk, then we can do something like this. So I don't know why I did this stuff up there. Else if, elif, is it elif in Python? I don't know. Python else, oops. Else if, let's see. Code sample. Yeah. Elif, yeah. So actually I don't need parentheses here. So let's not use them. Elif path equals creep. And then need something else. Let's do it creeping. Oh, let's not do it like this. We don't need the response here. We can handle the response here. So walk, walking, creep, creeping. Okay, like this. And what we can do now, init is okay here. Stand is okay. Okay, let's do it like this. Walk should walk and then response, or should it response and then walk? Ooh, I need a separate thread. Oh, yeah, that's ugly. Yeah, it won't respond until it's done with the movement. So yeah, that's bad, but it should do for now. value creep and request creep. Okay, so okay, the code is still a little bit messy, but we want to see that it works, and we can control. No, didn't init. What's wrong? Ah, yeah, we need to start not the server, the spider. Spider pie. Okay, so yeah, same mistakes every day. Comma missing. Okay. Yeah, okay, we deleted the stand. Okay, so I try reload it here. Let's try creep. And then it should stand up. Yeah. Okay. And let's do walk. And creep again. Okay, so we can control it using the web browser. It's rudimentary, but it works. Now I will do like here a better view. Okay, so you can see it better. And I will try to use my phone as well. So 105 was the IP address. And we need the port 8080. So this is, oh, whoops, 80. What happened here? Whoops. Okay, go. So the page shows here, and we can, so the live test. Okay, self-destruction mode activated. Okay, then let's try creep. So you can see the answer is still not there, and now the answer is responded. So we have the code is not running because the response, or let's say the response, is not sent until the code that's moving the spider is finished. So what we have to do is to put this in a parallel thread, so it runs independent from the server. Okay. It should also attack like this. Yeah, maybe we can try some movements. I think we can build like a user interface to control each leg, and then we can, let's say, like copy the values and store it like a motion or something. I don't know. We can maybe try to do this, but it's yeah, a lot of coding. I have to do it again. Okay, I don't know if I have time to stream tomorrow, or let's say today. It's 17 past 12 here. And yeah, I don't know if I can do it tomorrow after sleeping. But the day after, I think it's possible, or Friday latest. I have the weekend time to do the video, so if we get a state, it looks like we can have a state that's um, good enough for a video, so I will simply cut a video and upload on the main channel, and it would be more condensed in like 4 minutes or 5 minutes or so, because it's enough, not 1 hour like now. So see you next time. Bye.